Bago ka lang ba sa aking channel? Huwag kalimutang pindutin ang subscribe button para naman mas ganahan akong gumawa ng mga video tulad nito at i-click mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads ko.
Hi guys! Welcome sa panibago nating video. So this video is an ultimate guide, on how to buy in Alibaba. Ultimate Guide 2021. So ito na yung pinakabagong process na ginagawa ko kung paano ako bumili sa Alibaba. So sa previous video ko, inaalaw ko si Supplier na yung siya mismo yung mamili o maghanap ng shipping agent na mag-ship ng pinamili ko from Alibaba sa Pilipinas sa akin, and I usually choose door to door. However, napakamahal. At pagdating dito sa Pilipinas, meron pang mga additional fees like tax, any additional fees na magi-incur doon sa shipping agent na ginamit ni Supplier. So sa akin, napakababa lang yung kikitain ko kapag binenta ko yung mga products ko online, especially sa Shopee, sa Lazada. Halos nahihirapan na akong labanan yung mga presyo nila doon, which is napakababa. So itong process na ito, you're going to get a cheaper shipping cost, which means a higher margin for your business, and tax free na siya. Wala nang additional fees pagdating dito sa Pilipinas. Just the products, you're just gonna have to pay for the product to your supplier, and then pagdating dito sa Pilipinas, you're going to have to pay for the shipping fee sa inyong shipping agent. Okay, so jump tayo sa step by step process na ginagawa ko kung paano ko umorder sa Alibaba. Okay, so ito na yung step by step process na ginagawa ko. Okay, so guys, kung wala pa kayong shipping agent, sa mga nagtatanong kung ano yung shipping agent ko, marami akong ginagamit na shipping agent, pero sa video na to, sa sample video na to, ang gagamitin ko ay si Cargo Boss Philippines. Okay, so most likely meron tayong product in mind na gusto nating bilhin. Let's say for example bike, electric motor, machines, clothes, toys, or anything na gusto nating bilhin. We're going to ask the forwarder if they can import that kind of product that we want to buy. So pupunta tayo sa Facebook, and then search natin si Cargo Boss Philippines, and then send tayo ng message sa kanya. So we're going to ask if they can import, let's say for example in this video, if they can import a machine, okay, this type of machine. So mabilis naman silang sumagot. Okay, pag sagot nila at confirmed na okay naman yung product na gusto nating bilhin, wala namang maging problema, and then we can proceed to find a supplier. So we're going to jump back to the Alibaba store. Okay, so meron na ako napili, okay, na supplier. Napili ko siya kasi siya yung pinakamurang offer ng machine na ito. Yan. Yan o. 200 USD para dito sa pallet machine na to, or pellet machine na to. So, ayan, nag-ask ako kung mayroon siyang ibang mga models pa at kung magkano yung magiging price, ano yung sukat. Ayan. So, sa Alibaba chat, you can ask everything that you want to know about your product. Okay, so in this example, isa lang naman yung gusto kong bilhin. So, stick to kung ano yung product na nandun sa, or sa price na andun sa store niya. Okay, pero kapag marami kayong bibilin, pwede kayong humingi ng quotation and most likely makakuha kayo ng discount. Okay, so my supplier also provided me the size and no magiging packaging ng product ko kapag is ship na, at kung ano yung may CBM at yung total weight. Okay, and she even provided me her WhatsApp number. Okay, so guys, huwag kayong matatakot at mabibigla kung kayo ay bibigyan ni supplier ng kanyang WhatsApp number. It only means that they are willing to work with you. And it's okay lang naman if you would like to stick to the chat. And most of I always stick to the chat, to the Alibaba chat kasi wala akong WhatsApp number. Okay, so in here, as you can see, I have already provided my supplier my forwarder warehouse address in China. Okay, so you can ask your supplier which warehouse is the nearest, kung yung Yiwu ba, yung Shishi, or Guangzhou, and then you can provide them your forwarder warehouse address. Okay, so kapag sinabi niya Guangzhou, and then go back to the messenger app and then ask for your forwarder their address, warehouse address in Guangzhou. So in this example, I asked for their Yiwu branch, and then they gave me their Yiwu branch, all the detailed information na ibibigay mo sa supplier mo. Yan. Okay, so pagka nagkasundo na kayo, okay na lahat, okay na kayo sa presyo, okay, masaya ka na sa details na binigay sa'yo, you can also even ask for your supplier a video of the product that you want to buy. So in this example, my supplier provided me an actual video, okay, kung paano ginagamit yung machine na binibenta or bibili sa kanya. So in this case, I'm really happy with the supplier already. So kapag okay na, ready ka nang mag-process ng payment, pupunta tayo sa Cargo Boss app. And then we're going to book for shipping. So magbo-book tayo. Ito, book for shipment. And then let's say Shishi. Okay. Yan. So sabi dito, product description, forward the address that we will be sending via Facebook chat to your supplier when asked for a quotation. Yan. So they also provided step-by-step process on how to book. And click book now, and then fill out forms, receive confirmation email, pick up orders. So add to cart mo natin to. Yan. And then check out. Yan. So fill out lang natin yung form dito, yung email address, your name, and all the details. So sa CBM, minsan hindi na pag-provide ka agad si supplier kung ano yung CBM. You can just provide any CBM, let's say 0.2 and then total number of boxes, kung ilang number of boxes ba, let's say 1 only or 2. You can ask your supplier about that, kung ano yung magiging packaging, kung ilang boxes ba. Yan. Tapos yan, and then continue booking. So once complete na itong process na to, makaka-receive tayo ng email. Receive tayo ng email confirmation na successful yung booking natin, and we will also receive our shipping mark. Yan, makaka-receive tayo ng email na successful ang booking natin, and we will also see the shipping mark. So we will provide that information, yung shipping mark, along with the warehouse address to our supplier. So make sure na malinaw yon sa supplier natin, okay, that they understand that they're going to send the product to that specific address na binigay natin, and they will attach our shipping mark to the box. Okay, so example, ito na yung shipping mark na naka-attach doon sa package ko. Okay, sinend ito ni supplier sa akin. So always also ask your supplier to send you a picture of your box indicating the shipping mark, to make sure na tama yung shipping mark na niligay nila doon sa package mo. Okay. Alright, so now that we have provided our forwarder the warehouse address and the shipping mark, then we are ready to process the payment. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, is yung pag-process ng payment, kasi dito tayo maglalabas ng pera. So always wait for your supplier to send you the payment link. So in this case, ito yung yung chat, ito yung Alibaba chat. Dito nag-send ng payment link si supplier ko. So yung sa machine, hindi ko pa siya nag-go. So dito tayo sa sample na meron na tayong payment link. Okay, so ito yung example itsura ng payment link na provided ng supplier. Alright, so pag click natin yan, mapupunta tayo dun sa payment interface. So dito wala na yung payment method kasi complete na siya, tapos na. Pero kapag hindi pa tapos yan, makikita nyo kung yung mga payment options like credit card, PayPal, bank transfer. So mamili lang kayo kung alin yung pinakamaalwan na payment method sa inyo. So usually yung iba nakikita ko credit card. Ako credit card yung ginagamit ko lagi. Pwede rin debit card, pwede rin GCash card or Paymaya. Alright, so kapag tapos na, process na yung payment, it will take depende sa supplier kung gaano siya kabilis, but sometimes it will take 1 day or 2 days before your supplier can send you the picture. So always ask your supplier to send you a picture of the box of your package para makita natin kung tama yung shipping mark na nilagay niya. And after that, i-track na lang natin yung package. Yun. So paano ba natin i-track yung order natin? So dito mismo sa Cargo Boss app. Ito sa real-time tracking. So lagyan na lang natin dito yung shipping mark natin, tsaka yung email address, and then find order. So makikita natin kung ano na yung status ng order natin. Okay. At tapos kapag pwede na siyang pick up sa warehouse, pwede nyo siyang kayo mismo ang pumick up dun sa warehouse nila sa Malabon, or pwede kayong mag-book sa Lalamove. Ako, ang kadalasan na ginagawa ko is nagbo-book ako ng Lalamove rider or Lalamove delivery. Siyang pumipick up sa Malabon. Ayan. Tapos, dinideliver dito sa bahay. Okay? So, sa mga nagtatanong kung magkano yung magiging shipping cost natin, ako kadalasan hindi ko na siya tinatanong, hindi na ako humingi ng quotation kay Cargo Boss eh. Pero meron ditong option sa app nila, get a quotation. Okay. So yan, mapupunta ka dun sa Facebook Messenger nila. So, punta ka lang dun sa Messenger and ask them para makahingi ka ng idea kung magkano yung magiging shipping cost mo. Pero sa akin, hindi na ako humingi ng quotation kasi guaranteed na mura lang talaga. Napakamura nung shipping cost ng mga forwarder like Cargo Boss. So, ito, para magkaroon na rin kayo ng idea, yung quotation nila, all-in rates nila is 10,250 per CBM, custom taxes and fees included already. So, yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, napakagaan ng proseso na to kasi all you have to do is to pay your product to your supplier, and after that, pagka nandito na sa Pilipinas, nasa forwarder warehouse, Philippine warehouse na yung order mo, you just have to pay for the shipping cost, and then you're set to pick up your products or book for courier delivery to pick up your product for you.
So that's it mga amigos. Kung meron kang question or any suggestion, just comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na. And see you on my next videos. Adios!